Hello again, Ian Stuckey with Mastermind Games, and continuing today's painting binge with Penelope from, again, the, what's the word I'm looking for? I lost my train of thought. Well, starting with Shield Brown 09161. Anyway, Hog Wild. Penelope's from the Hog Wild box set. So she is Olix's dog and his totem. So, starting with Shield Brown on the underbelly predominantly, so I'm just gonna do this on her underbelly here. Going up to her mouth. I believe she's supposed to be a Great Dane. Same species of dog as Scooby-Doo. But, okay, next up I'm going to use Dark Skin 09041. But she looks more like a parody of Scooby-Doo that appeared in an episode of the Adult Swim show The Venture Brothers. So we're going to try to carefully blend in. I try to do a 3-color per model rule, but this is one where that's probably not going to happen too well, so I'm going to avoid the underbelly I painted while getting the rest of her. And, you know, with a name like that, Penelope most likely is a she. But that's kind of size a point here. Although, quite frankly, it would be hilarious if Penelope turned out to be a male dog, something like that, but, meh. It's probably going to be one of my shortest videos. Just because of the incredibly simple color scheme here. Because technically because only 3 base coats, and one of them is just that lighter patch for her underbelly. And most of that underbelly area won't even be visible too easily. Okay. Just go over that underbelly area again a bit. Too much is working wet on wet there. We'll see how this turns out at the end. And then Woodstain Brown 09160. I think I can go ahead and do this part. Being real careful around her feet. Especially since parts of that is still wet. And that's base coats already. So once that dries, we'll see where we end up. Okay. Dark Shadow 09040. Let's see how this goes on shading with that blended underbelly. Actually, that might be enough. Go ahead and start with the inside of her legs here. Pick out her nose in black later on, but let's call that looks okay. We'll call that good for now and let that dry and hit the last of the shading once it does. Okay, I think I can do the rest. Woodstain Brown 09160. I don't know why I said the first zero so strangely, but whatever. Huh. Okay. Quick stripe underneath the belly going up into the chest and the mouth there. I'd say so far so good on this little experiment of mine. I'm going to try using 09038 Rainy Gray. And only this color this time on the basing. Still kind of experimenting. Don't know if you're hearing that beep, but that just means my dinner's ready for a little attention. I'm just cooking while I do this. So just got it thinned out, so get a coat on there, being careful to avoid her paws. I must be hungry if I'm slaughtering the English language this much, especially since it's the only language I speak. Okay, let that dry and see what happens. Okay, let's get finished up. 09039 Pure White. Where's the brush I need? There it is. Just gonna carefully dot in her eyes here. Oh, this brush is in terrible shape. I don't know if I have a better one. That was the problem. We'll go ahead and take Shield Brown 09161 and get the base next, I suppose. Well, this gives me eyes have a chance to cure. Or dry is the correct word, though. Well, I don't know if this is working out as well as using the black to shade it, so... Again, it's an experiment, so... Yeah, I definitely like the black better. I'm gonna just roll with that, though. Clean out thoroughly and dry off. Then, maybe not, yeah, Pure Black 09037. We're gonna need this twice here. Carefully dot in some pupils. And I'm gonna get the nose, but I might have to redo it. If I do, that's okay. Not that one. That one, Driftwood Brown 09162. tone on her underbelly, but I'm mostly concerned with the readily visible part of it on the chest. Dark highlight 09042. No, that's probably enough actually. I'm trying to avoid the underbelly area with this color. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. And olive green 09035. Being really careful around her feet. Paws are the technical term I should be using. A little more right along there. And that is it. This is probably the single shortest full paint video I've ever done, and that is Penelope from the Gremlins faction of Malifaux. Got one more group of models for Hogwild coming up next. Until then, I am Ian Stuckey with Mastermind Games, signing out.